It was an interesting day across North Carolina, specifically northern North Carolina and even northeast North Carolina, as some tornadoes touched down here and caused some damage. And this will be in the news if you want to check this out on weathernation.com, Weather Channel, or even your local news station here in Charlotte, because I'm sure that they covered this right here. And it's about 10:23 here on Friday evening, and we had an issue with the site today. We had to upload all new video players. There was a site update, a software update that came out, and we were posting on Facebook here as much as we could today to keep you informed of what happened. Fortunately, there was nothing here in Charlotte. It was all to the north and also to the east of us. That's where all the action was today. Right now, all the clouds have cleared out from this little storm system that pushed on through here. It was a warm front and then a cold front following it, and in between is where all the action was right here. And Weather Ranger University will explain that at some point once we get that up and running. And look at this. Clear skies and cloud-free skies here tonight across the western North Carolina and Tennessee. And it looks like we are going to be have a nice Saturday in store, as all the clouds have gone away and the cold front has pushed through, and we will be able to enjoy our Saturday and Sunday here, and it warms up a little bit. Let's zoom in here and take a look at the current conditions across the region. We have 67 degrees right now, Charlotte International Airport at Douglas, and 70 degrees down here in Columbia, 84 here, I should say 64 here in Greenville, 59 in Asheville out there in the mountains, and 62 up there in Greensboro, 63 in Charlotte, clearing out. All in all, a pretty calm evening after what just happened earlier on today. And let's look at the temperatures here. Forecast temperatures. This is MOS, which stands for Model Output Statistics. It's a model forecast for temperatures. And it looks like the GFS wants to say that we go down to 49 degrees tonight overnight. I'm not quite sure if we get that cool, because here it's saying it's 53 degrees for Charlotte across this model down here, and it's in the 60s right now. And I don't think it's going to get much colder than maybe 62 degrees overnight. Might get down to 60 or so at the very coldest. And then tomorrow it looks like we hit 83 degrees here Saturday. That's a good bet. We only have 80 degrees down here on the NAM, which stands for the North American Mesoscale model. And looks like the GFS does better for North Carolina, for our area. So we're going to go with 83 degrees tomorrow. Tomorrow night looks like it's down into the 50s again. Maybe a little bit chilly, although I think we have a hard time dipping below 60 again on Saturday night. So a good night, good day, and good night if you want to get out and do things. I wouldn't stop you. Sunday, we warm up into the 80s, even hit 84 degrees. Some pretty good agreement between the two models down here, 85 down here and 84 up in this model. I'm going to say between 84 and 85 degrees here on Sunday. So a nice warm weekend and dry, and get out there and enjoy it this weekend. That's it right now for the Carolina Regional Weather Update. Thanks for checking in to Charlotte Weather Ranger, and have a great weekend.